This is the pre-entry communication to the installation.
Line control, Norman Subsea, channel 11.
Go ahead.
Yes, Line control, this is Norman Subsea. Good afternoon, sir. That's us entering 500 of Loyal. 1206, entering 500 meters zone of Loyal.
No copy.
Thank you very much, sir. Just standing by in channel 11, channel 16.
So yan po guys, I'm just sharing with you the type of communication we are relaying into the radio control room of every offshore platform installation, requesting and asking their permission prior entering the 500 meter zone of any installation we are going to enter. So yan po yung mga information na nire-relay natin and asking their permission prior makakapasok tayo and to proceed with our work scope. So sa mga curious po, what is 500 meter zone and what is safety zone. So in the near future, one of my video I'm gonna be sharing to you ano po yung pinag-uusapan natin dito about 500 meter zone and bakit may mga ganon, may mga exclusion zone sa offshore platform installation. Iba-vlog po natin yan or gagawan po natin ng video yan at i-explain natin sa inyo, especially those who are sa mga kabaro ko ring seaman which are watching this video, especially in the running vessels. So might be they are interested about that kind of a topic. So gagawan po natin ng video yan in the future. So ito po, bali I am checking also the PRS that we have, which is the size scan. In-inspection ko rin po yan, nililinis para pagpasok ng installation ay maganda yung signal niya. So part po yan ng routine natin that chine-check.